Welcome back to Reggae Month this week. And week 2 is here, and we're diving deeper into the culture, the history, and the business of reggae. I'm Bree, and if you thought last week was fire, just wait until you hear what's lined up for February 8 to 14 of this coming week. This is when the scholars, the practitioners, and the legends come together to drop the knowledge. Ground Nation Week 2 kicks off Sunday, February 8, 2 p.m. at the Institute of Jamaica Lecture Theatre, and this session is deep. People, we're exploring African roots, Jamaican fruits, tracing the journey from traditional folk culture all the way to today's contemporary arts. Couldn't make week 1? No stress. While each session connects to the reggae's historical foundation, they're structured so you can dive in whenever it works for you. Now let me tell you about this week's crown jewel, the Young Reggae Gospel Ambassadors at 5 p.m. at Waves Beach Negril.
Reggae Month rolls into the grill Sunday, February 8th with the Young Reggae Gospel Ambassadors concert starting at 5 p.m. It will be an evening of praise and worship at Waves Beach Negril, led by gospel sensation Rhoda Isabella, alongside several young gospel ambassadors. Sunday, February 8, another Reggae Month 2026 event.
Admission is free.
Also on February 8th at Waves Beach Negril. Day 3, Waves 1 Love Jerk Fest continues. Food, music, and culture by the seaside. That sounds like paradise to me. Also on the 11th, Jaria Reggae Wednesdays returns, this time playing tributes to Jimmy Cliff at Coral Cliff in Mobay. Jimmy Cliff, the original rebel, from Harder They Come to his induction into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Jimmy showed the world that reggae artists are global superstars. Another round of Wiki Wacky at 8 Mile Bull Bay in St. Andrew, also on February 12. And for those who don't know, Wiki Wacky is one of those authentic cultural experiences where you'll hear pure roots reggae and possibly Nibingi drumming. Friday the 13th, no bad vibes, just good luck over here. Another Wiki Wacky session, and on Saturday, February 14th, Valentine's Day, where we celebrate love reggae style with Wiki Wacky again and Love at Woodstock Negril. Because what's more romantic than reggae music under the stars with your special someone? Let's talk about why these symposiums and lectures matter. Reggae music is a multi-billion-dollar global industry, but too often the creators don't see their fair share. These educational sessions teach our artists about copyright, publishing rights, royalty collection, and digital distribution. If you're a young artist, producer, or manager, I'm urging you to attend these sessions. They're often free and very affordable, and the knowledge you gain could be worth millions down the road. Don't let your music be exploited because you don't understand the business side. Week 2 is where education meets celebration. Get out there, learn something new, and keep supporting reggae culture. Download the Reggae Jamaica mobile app for updates, and remember to follow JCDC Jamaica and PBCJamaica across all social media platforms for updates. Thanks to our sponsor Chase Fund for keeping Jamaica's culture strong. And you've just watched the Reggae Month this week. Come catch the rhythm, same time next week.